Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest change that has happened to Grow a Garden. It's not the biggest change ever, but as you can see, now there's going to only be a max of 4 players per server. So there's only 4 gardens here. I'm wondering if later on we are able to either upgrade our garden a little bit bigger, or they might have some activities they can like add throughout the whole plot. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh my gosh, my friend just joined me. But anyways, that's the latest update on Grey Garden. Again, there's new seeds, sunflower, and zebra zinkle, but we've talked about that already. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.